Before, health experts were warning about COVID-19. The concern here in West Michigan was Eastern Equine Encephalitis, or EEE. It's the rare mosquito-borne illness that took its toll on our area late last year in the fall.
Well, EEE is back in focus for one state lawmaker who's now calling on the governor to loosen her executive order because of it. News 8's Jacqueline Francis has this story new tonight.
State Senator Kim Lasada wants lawn care workers to be deemed essential under the governor's executive order, saying without them doing their part to help control the mosquito population, we're putting ourselves at risk for another public health crisis. Eastern Equine Encephalitis, or EEE. It's the mosquito-borne illness we once reported on daily as last year's unusual outbreak turned deadly in Michigan. A total of 10 cases, taking the lives of 6 people.
In Southwest Michigan, we were hit really hard last summer with EEE.
Which is why State Senator Kim Lasada is raising concerns about Governor Gretchen Whitmer's Stay Home, Stay Safe executive order, saying the restrictions put in place to slow the spread of COVID-19 could come at the expense of protecting people from other health hazards like EEE.
You know, I asked the governor to please reconsider her executive order number 21, and allow landscapers to do their jobs because they can work safely.
In a letter sent to the governor, Lasada says lawn care workers should be deemed essential as they help curb the mosquito population.
CDC has told us, you know, get rid of the old vegetation, you know, any leaves that you have in your gutters, trim your bushes, keep your grass trimmed. And there are a lot of people that are not able to do this on their own, so they hire landscapers.
Even coming out of a mild winter, the Berrien County Health Department says there's no saying what kind of mosquito season we're in for, as it's still too early to collect that kind of data. In the meantime, their main focus remains on the community's COVID-19 response.
Certainly, we can still be taking preventative actions to prevent mosquito bites, but right now we have people who are getting very sick and who are dying of a disease that is spread from person to person, which is why we are continuing to urge social distancing and heeding executive orders at this time.
The Berrien County Health Department says there are things people can do on their own to help prevent them from getting EEE. Those things include wearing long pants and long sleeves when outdoors, as well as wearing insect repellent. When asked if the health department supports lawn care workers being deemed essential under the executive order, they had no comment. Reporting from home, Jacqueline Francis, News 8.